How to enable quiet mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, you will find an option for user. Tap on it. Again at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now click on notifications. Now here you will find an option for quiet mode. Tap on it. Now enable this toggle. Now on this page you can choose your start time and end time. Tap on the start time to customize and similarly for the end time. You can also choose the days for the quiet mode to be turned on. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.